Okay, welcome back, guys. Number 10, Android development tutorial. And what the fuck? I always try to do this. Okay, so this edit a layout has some good code edit functions that whenever you make a mistake or whenever I just make a mistake, it shows you a little stuff here. And um, okay, like now if you go here, it says um, one error found, which is here, error found, and class or unexpected is expected unexpected. So now in this tutorial we are going to use this basic stuff with the introduction, our knowledge, to do some cool stuff. And I think before other tutorials will be able to create a full. So let's start by developing by modifying all the stuff here. So just a simple activities displaying on our screen. So think of this as this is your Android physical Android device. So what we are seeing here is just a single activity. Activity is what user can see on your what the component of your app that the user can see. So this that we can see this color, this layout that is having color white, and the tab here is called is in a whole is called an activity. So like now if I'm having okay, this is a photo showing up, and I click on the photo I want, okay, and if I click on the photo I want, maybe the send button is here. If I click on the send button, okay, I want to send it to WhatsApp. Okay, when I click on the send button, you will see WhatsApp, you will see Bluetooth, and when you click on WhatsApp, there will be another screen, there will be a WhatsApp section that will show up, and you want to write your status or whatever you want to write about this picture, so that WhatsApp screen that pops up is also called an activity. So but this place we are having a single activity, and we cannot have two activity here, but we can also create two activity, like maybe we type um, um, we type our name here, and we can also, when we type our name here, we can click on a button say send, and when we click send, it can take us to another view like this, and it will say welcome plus the name we type in the other screen layout. You understand? Just like opening pages. You understand? Like my app can have a section, a button called about, and a button called profile. So when you click on profile, it takes you to the profile activity. You understand? Okay, where you can see your image, you can see your bios and other stuff. Okay, now we are going further in this tutorial. So now we are in the main activity.java, which is lying in project. Go to project, go to Java, and you go to Java. In this place you find the no not this in this one you find the main activity, which is showing here main activity. So if you want this activity main.xml, you can go to res, go to layout. So this res function and this what this res, which is resources, means is the application resources, which is our UI element, which is the button. The design of our application is here, and the logic of our application is lying in the Java file, in the Java folder. So go to your activity main.xml. Here we are going to work. So let's extend this down. I can just close this project here, project tab here, and Okay, now just close this build. You can hide it. Okay, hide it. We call it hide, not close. So we hide it now. Just go. Okay, how can we zoom this blueprint stuff here? You can zoom it by just going to this button here and zoom. You can take it back to there and zoom it. Okay, so now let's set it. Now we can. So now when we run our application, there was a little hello world displaying, and this was it, hello world. You can find it here, hello world. So let's talk about this constraint layout. This is where whenever we drag a like a text view saying hello world, we will see it over here saying hello world, text view hello world. And let's try to modify these things. So click on this text view here and delete it. You can right click on it, or just click delete from your keyboard and it's gonna delete. Oh no. Okay, click on delete. So what we are going to do, we are deleting this hello. So if we want this application again, there will be nothing like hello world on showing. There will be nothing like hello world showing. And okay, let's customize this. Now there's nothing on this thing. So now go to your, make sure you are using the blueprint, which is this blue here. Okay, it's on blueprint. Okay, fine, it's on blueprint. And okay, so now go after the blueprint, go to this and make sure show all constraint is checked. So click on show all constraints, make sure it's checked. Like there's a little sign here, like a sign V, meaning it's checked. So now click on this and choose 16. So after choosing 16, go to this pixel. We want a pixel of this size here, pixel of this size, and now I've created that kind of pixel. And now you can zoom it to how we want it. Okay, let me minimize this a little bit so you can see the bottom and see the ending of it. Now what next are we going to do? So we are having a constraint layout. Let's talk about the constraint layout. Constraint layout is like a container where we can put our UI elements and organize. So this container makes us to organize UI elements on our application. So just make us to organize stuff on our application and nothing else. So if you click on this constraint layout, you see that there was something that appear here, which is the attribute of a constraint of our constraint layout, which is this here. And so in the next tutorial, we'll also be going to be adding stuff, and we are going to create a nice simple application which we ourselves we created on our own. So now this is the attribute of the constraint layout, which you can modify to your taste and so on. Okay, now click on this. I think I'm gonna leave this for the next tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we are going to place some plain text and we are going to place a plain text on this view and place a button on this blueprint, so and customize it and create a basic application that the user can click on button on the type its name and click on the button, or type any other thing and clicks on the button, and our application displays what the user typed in. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to comment in the comment section of my tutorial. And see you later guys. Bye for now. Watch out for the next tutorial.